Today for the Bitcoin price with DaVinci J15. Guys, today take a seat, watch this video until the very end because we will be pulling up the charts here for Bitcoin. We will be not only talking about this hourly pattern which seems to be breaking out. The question is, are we going to go higher here to our specific bullish price target we are going to be revealing here in the end of the video? Or is this going to turn out as a fake out and we are going to go much lower? Well, this is exactly what we are going to be talking about with DaVinci J15 in this video. And also guys, I'm gonna be showing you my trade on Bybit right now, racking in 91,000 US dollars in profit. Another one on Phemex here, 96,000 US dollars in a profit. And of course, also here my second trade on Freemax, approximately 112,000 US dollars in profit. What am I going to do with it? And also more importantly, guys, believe it or not, I have a 1,040 US dollar bonus on Bybit right now. If you use our specific link in the pinned comment, you can get up to 1,040 US dollars by a mile. The biggest bonus I have ever seen. So if you're an experienced trader, make sure you take advantage of it in the pinned comment right now. So make sure you take a seat, you watch this video until the very end to get our price targets, our expectations, our trades, and everything we are expecting right now for Bitcoin. Make sure you also sit down, you scroll down, and you here press this like button, press it to at least 4,000 or 5,000 likes. Also press the subscription button, press the bell, and also press on all. If you press this bell icon here, you can make sure that you get the notifications when we are releasing the next video. And with that being said, I want to come to the most important question of today. DaVinci J15, how are you doing today, my man?
In the pipe, 5 by 5, man. How you doing, Chris? You know what? I heard you're in an interesting location right now. Tell us all about it.
I'm right now in Turkey. It's just very nice to hang out here in this hotel I am, and it's beautiful. I can concentrate on content the whole day. People saw yesterday I made 2 English videos, 2 German videos, so it's just very nice to relax and just concentrate on content here. And soon going to Dubai. Hopefully you will join us. I'm not sure about that yet.
Yeah, you know what? I'm thinking of actually joining you, man. I'd like. What do you think? You know what? I want the audience to decide. Should I go to Dubai with Chris, right, on his next trip this weekend? And if you guys vote up this video and give it lots of likes, right, I want to see some new record likes, right?
Yes.
Then I'll go with him to Dubai.
So everyone go down right now, smash up the like button. Genius idea, DaVinci. And if we are hitting 4,000 or 5,000 likes, well, DaVinci might join us. And then we are doing live in-person episodes on the charts for you guys. Make sure you smash it up right now. And now, DaVinci, the stage is yours. Once again, let's pull up the charts and see exactly what you are predicting for the markets right now on this very important day.
Well, it turns out I'm predicting pretty much what you're predicting, right? Is that correct?
Today it's amazing, yeah.
Let's see. Is Chris, remember crypto, bullish or semi-bullish? Because there's only that. Those two are.
Take a guess, guys. Take a guess.
All right. So obviously he's bullish, right? And he's super bullish. And yes, he has good reason to be. Because as you can see, right? Can you see something interesting forming on this chart, Chris? Well, I'm sure you have already seen it, right? What is that? It's a nice W for the win, right? And so Bitcoin is clearly, these were the 2 breaking points. This is the 2 points right here. And then on top of that, right, we've got a trend channel here that Bitcoin has refused to break down below it. So yeah, this is where where it looks like we're heading. The most likely territory is higher. Now, if this happens, right? If this happens, we're going to break this last high, and then it becomes out of control. But I've already said that if Bitcoin does break up to from this level right here, when it broke this level, it could get out of hand and go a lot higher very fast. I've said that before. And if we go down to the daily, right? Here's what I'm seeing, right? If we bring out the daily chart. Sorry about the mess.
No problem.
On my
no
charts.
problem.
My charts are like a dog's breakfast. Because I want to see everything that's going on. And let me see if, oops. All right, so that should be a lot better. I can refresh it now. So we got a lot of key points, right? I want to keep an eye on. So I don't want to remove all these things just yet. But the key thing that I want you guys to take a look here is that I messed up on our fibs. I'm really sorry. I promise I'll never do that again. I've been doing that a lot lately, and people are pointing it out to me. And I messed it up because if I had seen what I'd seen, if I'd drawn the fibs correctly, take a look at what you see here. If I drew the fibs correctly, right? I'm gonna just put this because there's a big surprise at the end coming, right? Let me show you something, right? Look at where the 1.618 is at.
This is crazy.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
This is crazy. It is exactly up to the exact dollar aligning with the previous top we actually had just a few days ago at $14,149. But Da Vinci, I want to know, what is the learning from that, and what could that potentially mean for the next price target when we see that Bitcoin is actually respecting these Fibonacci extensions? What is our learning from that?
So take a look at that. Yeah, let's just make sure that, take a look. In respect to the 1.27 and the 1.44. So it's not hard to believe that we could go to the next fib level, which is the 2.0 level, and that's 15,150. So if we break this level here, the 14,139, and it looks like, right, remember that trade, that looks like that's what the trade says it's going to do. This trade here says it's going to break that. That means we're probably headed straight to the 15,150.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
That's incredible.
Just mind-blowing, isn't it?
This is incredible. This is mind-blowing, but I want everyone to always be a little bit cautious because we have so many exogenous risks, exogenous factors right now. The election coming up, still a possible correlation with the equity market. So of course, don't throw everything in here in this bullish scenario. We have to watch out. We have to be cautious. If this is in the end, of course, a nice breakout which is panning out, is it a fake out? So of course, we have to wait and see what the charts are telling us. But in case we are breaking out, in case this turns out to be the expected breakout here, I mean, Da Vinci, this price target, it would be super bullish, because if we are reaching it, we would be actually, breaching the old high of this year, not only of this year, of the last year, which we already did. And then the next reasonable price target would be 15,149, the 2x Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci extension. So I would love to see this actually coming into fruition. Let me know, Da Vinci, do you think this is the most likely scenario right now? And also maybe on the daily time frame.
When I was looking at the price, when I was looking at the price action, I was seeing that when we hit the 13 EMA, we just bounced off of it like hot water on a stove, right? Just went and just popped right back up. So that's a very good indication that there's a lot of bullish momentum. People are buying anything that any dips down.
One thing, what happened the last time we actually bounced off? If we go a little bit back here to the 16th and 17th of October, October. 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 Yes, right, to the right. The 13th. There we bounced off over there, right? Afterwards, we had this very, very nice pump towards the upside. So, of course, this bounce so far, it is considered to be something bullish, right?
Exactly. So that's just, it could mean also, but it could mean also that, that the retail is FOMOing in, right? So you have to be careful, right? That's the key thing that I'm going to also learn about this. Retail is like ready to buy anything, any kind of dip. And so, with that said, we have to look at, let me just take a look at, I'm gonna go back to the overall picture, the bigger picture of Bitcoin, and I want to show you something, see if anything else lines up as well too.
Also, guys, so many people are asking me, Chris, what's going on with your trades? What are you doing with your trades right now? Well, look at this. This is my one trade here on Bybit. It is 92,000 US dollars in a profit. I have my stop loss set here just in case, to make sure that I am getting stopped out in a very significant profit. This is the one on Bybit and also the one on Phemex. You can see it right here. It is right now raking in approximately 112,000 US dollars in a profit. I also have set a stop loss right there. And And going over to my second trade over here on Phemex, you can see this one is racking in 96,000 US dollars in a profit. And there I'm not going to plan to take any profits anytime soon. So overall, approximately 320,000 US dollars in profits on these trades. And there's one thing, guys, I wanted to tell you. I already mentioned it previously here in the pinned comment. There is a new thing here. For a limited time, you can get up to $1,040 bonus here. If you just go to the pinned comment here, and if you're an experienced trader, you can use our link here. You have to use our specific link in the pinned comment. If you click this link, you make your own account. You can get with this deposit schedule not only up to 540 US dollars as a bonus. No, if you use with our link also our specific code here, in addition to the $540, you can win another $500. So in total, $1,040. You can use this free bonus, this $1,000, for example, at a 20x leverage. That's a 20,000 US dollar trade for free. Without touching your own money, you can use this free margin, trade on Bitcoin, and you can withdraw the pre-profits from this free margin trade from the exchange as well. So make sure, if you're an experienced trader, you go to the pinned comment and you take advantage of this link here, of our Crypto Bybit link. If you use it, make an account, follow the deposit schedule, you can get up to $1,040 completely for free. But now, DaVinci J15, the stage is yours once again.
You can see, obviously, we talked about the bigger W, right? Because this is I believe this is the monthly chart, right? Yes, it is the monthly chart. And we've talked about the overall W. We've talked about, now, what I haven't talked about, I'm not sure if I've talked about it on your show, is there is a Fibonacci levels here as well. On those monthly time frames. And so if we let me just make this bigger. So if we look at those, what's the first target of those? Oh my, look at that. Oh my, what's the first target there? Can you read that? I'm gonna see if I can zoom in. There we go.
Depends on which one you are talking about.
Let me change the color so that you
the 1.13 is actually 15,183. Funny enough, the in exact alignment with the Fibonacci extension we have drawn on the lower time frames.
Exactly. That's not a coincidence.
Of course not. Like, Bitcoin is doing that every single time. I mean, not saying that we are with a certainty going to that level, but whenever we are seeing these levels of confluence, and right now we are talking about confluence between the 4-hourly and the 1 monthly, then of course this should carry some significance. I think this is very, 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 very interesting right now. 15,183, hopefully a price level we are going to talk about soon.
Exactly. Incredible. I love this, man. I love it when fibs come together.
Yeah. Amazing. But again, I want to urge everyone, we had now a few weeks of bullish price action, so many profitable trades. I want everyone not to get euphoric here, because whenever you are getting euphoric, you will make very, very bad decisions. So I am euphoric right now about my holding portfolio. But when it comes to trading, I want to be cold as ice, guys. And I want you to be cold as ice as well. Please don't get these amazing emotions which are coming up in these green markets overcome your trading strategies. This is very important. I really want to mention that. And DaVinci, thank you so much for all your amazing insights here on the Bitcoin chart, on the 1 hourly, on the 4 hourly, on the monthly, even these extensions. I'm a big fan of that. And I wanted to ask you, because today is a very special day. There is the election day coming up right now. And I wanted to ask you, what are your expectations? Do you think whether this guy wins or this guy wins or whatever, do you think there will be positive implications, negative implications on Bitcoin, or no implications at all? What are your expectations here in the immediate short term for Bitcoin, just according to the elections here?
Well, I think if Trump wins or Biden wins, we're going to have a November or a September. And the printers are just going to go. And so we're going to have a lot more stimulus, a lot more money, no matter who wins. So you will get paid if you're an American, so you don't have to worry about it. And it doesn't matter really at this point. Yeah, sure, it might be one guy, you feel one guy is better than the other guy. But there's still, it's like having two choices of evil, right? Well, right? It's still evil. You're still going to get evil. One's less evil than the other than one other evil, right? And I'm not going to say who's who, right? Because that's all a matter of opinion. And And yeah, I don't think there's a lot of a change coming our way because whenever we come to the polls and vote for change, have you ever gotten change that was actually positive, right? Think about it, right? When you voted for Obama, you voted for free healthcare. You got for more healthcare, and what happened? What your healthcare premiums went through the roof. You end up paying more for your healthcare than normal, right? And now we still hear about people in the coronavirus. Oh, yeah. By the way, I had to pay thousands of dollars just for a test, $30,000, and I'm now bankrupt.
And he started 6 wars with a Peace Nobel Prize. So obviously, like you never know what's going to happen, right?
Exactly. So if you're planning to vote and expect you're going to get some positive change, you have something mentally deficient.
Yeah, or just not all too educated, of course. Like, yes, but I think you are right. You're right. Like, it is very hard also to determine how it will impact the markets. All we can do is just wait and see. One thing is for certain. I will not touch my holding portfolio. Whoever wins, whatever happens, if Bitcoin goes to 5,000, I will not touch my holding portfolio. I don't freaking care about it. Because in my mind, I think Bitcoin will eventually succeed. And I want the certainty of being in the boat whenever this happens. And the only way you can get this certainty is by just holding it no matter what. I'm not going to sell at 15,000. I'm not at 50,000. I'm not going to sell at 100,000. I'm just holding it. And this one meme with Matrix, it is actually telling you, I think I would just try to find it and pop it in here. Whenever Bitcoin succeeds, you will not have the necessity to sell Bitcoin. You can just buy houses, you can buy land, you can buy cars and stuff with it. And if you have this mindset, then you are not getting shaky hands whether it's going down or up. Are you here?
All right, good. Cool. You froze there for a second there. But yeah, let's talk about, before we end off the show, I want to mention that I was supposed to stop the sale this weekend for the end of Halloween, but you know what? Somebody forgot to make the changes on the website, and they forgot on Monday, and so they haven't done it today, so they're going to do it this evening. So by the time you watch this video, the sale will still be up, but you don't have much time. It will end for sure this day. So if you're interested in Pandora's Wallet, joining us and then getting these trades long before the videos get published, this is where you want to be. So yeah, join us on Pandora's Wallet and join us for our live streams, basically. Yeah. With your Pandora's Wallet subscription.
And everyone who's asking where to get it, I will leave the link down below in the description. And if you click this link, you get redirected to the page you just saw. You can choose your own package. You also get the Telegram access. You get the Pandora's Wallet. You get DaVinci Trade and everything along the lines as well. So make sure you take advantage of the link in the pinned comment down below. Make sure you also, if you want to give anything back here, guys, just go down, take half a second of your day, smash up the like button, make it blue, and hopefully DaVinci will join us also over there in Dubai. A new channel just opened and we can see here probably, not necessarily, but probably the breakout I was predicting earlier here over on Twitter. As you can see it right here, it is probably solidifying here. So let's wait and see. Of course, we have our invalidation points and we can see if this goes against us. So far, it is looking good. Thank you so much, DaVinci, also for your insights, for your price targets, especially the monthly extensions. I really loved it. And with that being said, DaVinci, do you have anything to say here before we are wrapping it up for today?
Always play from a position of strength and don't get wrecked.
Do not get wrecked, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of Crypto. And as always, I wanted to show you the cake I got. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? I just got a cake here from the hotel. And as always, guys, click the subscription box right here and also click the Bybit tutorial, which is popping up by my side right there. Click it right now. And as always, guys, bye-bye.